I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicory coffee. This delightful beverage made from roasted chicory root offers a unique, earthy flavor that many find appealing. Whether you are looking to reduce caffeine or simply enjoy a new taste, preparing it at home is surprisingly simple. We will cover everything from gathering your ingredients to brewing the perfect cup, ensuring you can enjoy this warm, comforting drink anytime. To begin, gather your essential ingredients and equipment. First, you will need roasted and ground chicory root. This is the star of our drink. If you enjoy a blend, have your preferred ground coffee on hand. For brewing, a French press works wonderfully, but a standard drip coffee maker or a pour-over setup will also do the trick. Ensure you have fresh, filtered water ready for the best flavor. Now, let's brew your delicious chicory coffee. For a robust flavor, use about 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground chicory for every 8 ounces of water. If using a French press, add the chicory and hot water, then let it steep for approximately 4 minutes before pressing. When blending with coffee, a 1-to-1 ratio of chicory to coffee grounds often creates a balanced taste. Adjust these amounts to suit your personal preference. Finally, it is time to serve and savor your homemade chicory coffee. Pour the freshly brewed beverage into your favorite mug. Feel free to customize it with a splash of milk or cream, or a touch of your preferred sweetener, just as you would with regular coffee. This versatile drink is delightful served hot, or you can chill it for a refreshing iced version. Enjoy the unique, comforting taste you have just created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.